Assalamu alaikum. My name is MD Nazimuddin, ID 171334444, section of PCB, Department of Tripoli. Today is my presentation. Welcome to our presentation. Presentation on hydropower plant. First of all, contents. Introduction, hydropower plant in Bangladesh, elements of hydropower plant, working principle, advantage, disadvantage, and lastly conclusion. Now I discuss the introduction. In hydropower plant, the water is utilized to move the turbines, which in turn the electrical generators. The potential energy of the water stored in the dam gets converted into the kinetic energy of the moving water in the penstock, and this energy converted into the electrical energy with the help of turbine and generator combination. Hydropower plant was invented by H.F. Rogers, and the total hydro potential of the world 5,000 gigawatt. And hydropower plant in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, the only hydropower plant at construction in 1962, named as Cornfield Hydropower Plant Station, and it is the one of the biggest water resource development project of Bangladesh. It is an earth-filled dam. It is 45.7 meter high and 670.6 meter long. The minimum weight is 7.6 meter and weight at the foot is 45.7 meter, and the shallow gauge supply way is 12.2 meter by 130 meter, can together pass a flow of 6,25,000 causes. The present generation capacity in the Bangladesh of hydropower plant to 230 megawatt during peak load hours. And now I discuss elements of hydropower plant. In this figure, we can see that the elements of hydropower plant. First of all, catchment area, dam, supply way, head works, surge tank, penstock, turbine, and generator. Now I details discuss the elements of hydropower plant. Catchment area, the whole area behind the clamp turning into a stream as river across which the dam has built at suitable place, and it is called a catchment area. Dam, a dam is a buried store water and create waterhead, and it is a made of concrete or stone masonry. Supply way, due to heavy rainfall in the catchment area, the water level may exceed the store capacity of the receiver. It may affect the stability of the receiver. A structure is formed around the receiver to remove the excited water or extra water, and this structure is known as the supply spillway. Then the generator. Generator is a device in which when there is rotation of the coil between the strong magnetic field, then it produced an alternating current. And then the header. The header consists of the derivation structure at the head of an intake. And the surge tank. This surge tank mainly meaning of the attached to the penstock which store water in it, and it's called a surge tank. It is a small tank, and it is located near the beginning of the conduit. And the penstock. Penstock are open or closed conduit which carry water to the turbine, and it is made of reinforced concrete or steel. And then the turbine. Turbine is a very fan-like structure having many number of blades, and when the blade is rotated, then water pass through it. And now I discuss the working principle. In this figure, the whole process of hydropower plant, we show that and let's discuss working principle. First of all, initially the water of river is an catchment area. Then catchment area follow to the dam. Then catchment area follow water follow to the dam, and the dam and dam water gets accumulated. The potential energy of the potential energy of the water increase due to the height of the dam. When the dam is open, the water move high kinetic energy into the penstock. High kinetic energy into the penstock when the dam is open. Then the turbine, then the penstock water, then the penstock water goes to the turbine, and then the turbine converts the potential energy. Then the turbines convert to the potential energy of the water into mechanical energy, and this the mechanical energy converts to the electrical energy, then the produce to the electricity, and then lastly the electricity distributed by the distribution line. In hydropower plant have some advantage. There are no fuel charge. The running cost of plant is low. High production rate capacity, pollution free, and long life is comparison with the thermal and nuclear power plant, and this is have high efficiency. And then have some disadvantage. There are commonly found in hill areas. Apparatus need correction protection, and output depends upon the availability of water, and capital cost is high. Then lastly conclusion. In this presentation, I have some information of hydropower plant. And the hydropower plant generated electricity by changing potential energy into kinetical energy. And I have information in this presentation. In Bangladesh, only one hydropower plant, and its generation capacity is 200 230 megawatt, and had advantage and disadvantage. And hydropower plant no fossil fuel required, and it can help the save other source of energy, and it is a clean energy source and no pollution. And hydropower plant was one of the first renewable source of energy, and therefore the most development currently. Thank you, sir.